Hey everybody, welcome to Mathematical Production. Today we're going to be going over an example on how to use the product rule when taking the derivatives of two functions being multiplied by each other. So our example for today is going to be the derivative of 5 times x to the fourth times cosine of x. So if you remember from my last video, the little rhythm that I used to memorize the product rule is 1d2 plus 2d1, where 1 is your first function, d2 is the derivative of your second function, and 2 is your second function, and d1 is the derivative of your first function. So let's go ahead and find all of these. So f of x is your first function, which in this scenario is just 5x to the fourth. G of x is your second function, and in this scenario it's just cosine of x. So let's go ahead and take the derivative of your first function. So because 5 is a coefficient, you could go ahead and pull that out, and you're going to be left with taking the derivative of x to the fourth. And derivative of x to the fourth is just 4 times x cubed. So 4 times 5 is 20, and x cubed. Now let's take the derivative of your second function. So the derivative of cosine is just negative sine, and that's just something you have to memorize. And now that we got all of our functions for the equation, we could go ahead and plug it in. So f of x is 5x to the fourth, and that's times the derivative of g of x, which is negative sine of x, plus g of x, which is cosine of x, times derivative of your first function, which we found to be 20x cubed. And then you want to go ahead and simplify this, or just make it look more neat. So you can pull the negative out, and that'll give you negative 5x to the fourth sine of x. And then you can pull the 20x cubed out, and that'll give you 20x cubed times cosine of x. And this is your final solution. And that's all you have to do when using the product rule for this derivative. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out some of our other videos on a similar topic, and like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day. Thanks.